How's it going, guys? Today I've got a good one for you. You already know what time it is. We got dry weather. Maybe not for long. It sure doesn't feel like it, but for now it's dry. I actually have something to show you guys, and that's where we are heading right now. It's gonna be a new addition for the channel. Hopefully things work out all right. We'll see. Obviously, you know, anything can happen at all times, but it's gonna be a new addition for the channel. But on our way there, I'm just gonna do my usual thing and talk to you guys about whatever is going through my brain at the moment while we travel there, and I show you guys what we're going for. I don't know how to explain it, whatever, but it's pretty exciting, so stick around. And I think I have a pretty good topic to talk about today, so also stick around for that too, because I think it might be helpful for some people. So it's in the realm of consistency. I always hound consistency. I may change out of third gear so I don't get people hollering at me. So what I want to talk about while we're on this journey to the thing I want to show you guys is like just training the mindset, training your mind and your person, and like a trick that I have used to make this possible throughout like the last couple of years, and honestly, you know, starting to reap some of the rewards of doing this. And it's not like completely vain or selfish in any way. It's sincerely like let's see, a good thing for anybody, regardless of what you want to do. And so if you find yourself kind of stuck in a rut, like, you know, like things are it's like life is cycling on repeat. It's like a circle, you know, it's just the same thing over and over and over again. A lot of times we feel like it's something on the outside that's causing it, you know, and what I want to argue is that it is completely under our control and we can change it ourselves, because usually what we get is a reflection of who we are on the inside. You know what I mean? And so this trick that I started using a couple years ago, I actually learned it from, you know, Tony Robbins back when I was mega depressed, you know, thinking that the world was out to get me, negative, like you know, not to be rude, but like 90% of people always complaining about things, like thinking that the world is happening to us rather than for us, you know, and I would be kind of stuck in this mindset, this negativity and everything. And this trick I learned from listening to Tony Robbins, when I finally hit rock bottom and decided, you know what, I think I've had enough, and there's two ways out of this. Either we're going to, this is not the thing though, by the way, I don't want anybody to think about this, but in my shoes, the place I was at, I was thinking that I can either fix it and try and fix it, or give up. And give up in the way that, you know, people are familiar with is more like the permanent giving up. And it was a tough time, and there's a lot of people who are in that position, which is why I feel drawn to talk about this today. So the trick that I learned was to take some time, and it will be difficult in that state of mind, in that place of being, in that environment, but to try to take some time to imagine something in life, and it could be a material thing, whatever it is. It could be a house, a vacation, it could be a whatever, and imagine yourself standing in that place. You made it to where you want to be, right? You're finally there. Now everybody wants to be there, right? The issue is People dream about these things, but they neglect the most important part. And you have to be completely honest with yourself with this. You can't lie to yourself about it. You cannot say, I'm gonna say this now, and it's gonna be an unpopular opinion. Where we are right now today is completely our own fault. And if we do not change something about ourselves, the environment we're in will not change. It has to start within before it can go without. So, the thing that most people neglect when they're imagining themselves in this place is who is standing in those shoes. Don't just imagine the things you want. Don't just imagine, you know, the goals, the dreams, where you want to go by themselves as an empty goal, an empty dream. Imagine you standing in that space. You're in that space. And you have to be completely honest with yourself, otherwise this won't work. What version of you is standing in those shoes? It's not this version, because if it was this version, you would already have it. What version of you is standing in those shoes? And I mean, what is their mindset? What is their emotional state? You know, obviously, as everybody would say, they're happier. Like all the time, every day, yeah, happy, right? They're happier. Why? Why are they happier? You know, do they have better relationship with their family? Do they have better friends? Do they treat people with respect? Do they treat others better? You know, what do they do on a day-to-day basis? What do they think about? They're not whining and complaining every day. No. You know, they're in a good state of mind. What does that state of mind look like? You have to imagine all these details of the person standing in your dream, not just the dream. And when you do this, it creates a path for you to follow. Right? Do you see what I mean? It gives you a direction. You know, and you have to be honest, like, because it's really, and I don't mean this in a rude way, but that version of you is not the version of you that doesn't have it. Because you will not obtain it unless you change. And it's just a thing that I don't know how to explain it. It's just as soon as you change, you know, and start moving in that direction, you know, then everything just falls into place. So that's kind of the gist of it. Kind of what I wanted to talk about. I'm honestly almost where I need to go. So yeah, I think so. I don't know. And I felt like it was necessary to come on here and share it, because I believe that others will maybe possibly benefit from hearing that. So if you don't know where to go, you know, just imagine yourself where you want to be, but, you know, imagine the person in the place, of course, right? But be honest about who that person is, and that gives you the direction of where you need to go. And forget about the physical material steps to get to that place, you know, financially or whatever it is. Focus entirely on the person. Focus entirely on becoming that person, because as you become that person, the rest just falls into place. It is so true. The rest just falls into place. So just a little bit further, guys. I kind of don't know what to talk about anymore. I think that was it. My bad. Actually, hold on a second. Hopefully nobody's coming. I had a big old honking bug just catch me. One sec. Ugh. Hold on. You guys can't see it, but there's a freaking bug on my windshield, on my thing. I'm gonna wipe this off. I don't know if maybe got that too. Wait, what? Oh, wait a minute.
What happened? Oh, hi there. Anyways, yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. I don't mean to be like showing off or anything. It's just pretty excited about this. Before you get too excited, it's a 2014, so it's already lost all of its value. But yeah, so this is hopefully going to be the next cool thing for the channel here. Hopefully. Check out this burgundy red interior, and we'll get in here real quick before these guys bug us. Not sure how much you're gonna be able to see, but yeah, this thing is incredible. I've been enjoying it so far. I've only driven it a couple days right now, but yeah. So yeah, it's a 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4, and I'm hoping in a couple days I will have some free time to be able to do a more thorough in-depth of what's going on here, because it's freaking awesome. But yeah, and then yeah, of course I will make a video so you guys can see or hear the exhaust and stuff like that, because it sounds amazing. Anyways, so that's that. It's only got 47,000 miles on it. It's practically brand new for being an 8-year-old car. When these things are brand new, they are like, I don't know, like 80 grand or something like that. But they depreciate so much. And so I was able to pick this bad boy up for 22, plus a 3-year, 36,000 mile. Pretty much it's a bumper to bumper warranty on it for 3 years. So if I do have any mechanical problems, which, you know, things happen, but yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with that. Yeah, so that's that. Stick around. I'm gonna step out one more time because it's freaking awesome. I'm gonna throw it into sport mode. You guys watch this. Check this out. There's this button here. It makes the exhaust louder. So freaking awesome. Beautiful car. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm freaking excited about this. Not gonna lie. So yeah, so I will try to make a video for you guys. Hold on, see if you can hear it when I press the button. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. It burbles. It burbles and pops. It's freaking awesome. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I want to show you guys. I'll make a video one of these times. Sorry, I'm trying to get my seatbelt on. It's not working. I'll make a video. Well, it's working. I'm not working. I'll make a video one of these times, and maybe I can kind of do a more in-depth and get some nice little beauty shots of the thing, because it's incredible and it's freaking fast. I think the base on these is like 408 horsepower, but this thing, it freaking rips. Okay, so anyways, we're not gonna do that again though, because I want this to last. All right, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for sticking with me for this video. If you made it to the end, you got to see it. If not, you'll never know. Okay, bye-bye.